It's 11 p.m. Your lecturers live in 4 apps, and none of them talk to each other. So you build the same lecture 3 times. You have a summary in one tab, you have a flashcards in another tab, you have notes in a folder that you will never open again. This is not studying, this is like data entry. Now let's look at MeDucation AI. You upload your lecture once, the same file becomes a study guide and a quiz written from your own notes, or a mind map that you can observe and learn how things are related to each other. Or better, you can turn this into flashcards for spaced repetition using the same algorithm that is used in Anki with much better design. And you can chat with any resource out there. You can ask it questions and the answers are going to come back to you exactly from that resource. And every card, every note, every uploaded feed all goes into a knowledge graph so you can see the relationship between the things that you studied. MeDucation AI quizzes you, teaches you, shows you the relationship between different topics. It doesn't hand you the answer. You still have to do the thinking. You just stop building your data 4 times.